single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's going on, people? It's your boy Big Baby Cave again. As you can see, we're on a car lot. Yes, we're at a Chevy lot. But I rolled by and I seen something that caught my eye. This is a Ford Raptor. And it's the first one I've had the opportunity with to get up on and see real close. And I did not know these trucks were that big. They're a very, very beefy truck. It's a very good looking truck also. The tires on this thing are massive. If you've never seen one of these in person, the size will take you by surprise. And it's a very good looking truck. This is a 14. I don't know how much they want for it. I haven't even talked to them. But I just rolled by and looked at it and had to get this on film, because this thing is nice. And then, if you don't like red, bam, they have a white one too. And they both look good. And I don't know which one looks the better, the red or the white, because they both look good. What year is this one? This is a 14 also. I don't know much about these trucks. Like I said, this is my first time seeing one. Not my first time seeing one, it's my first time seeing one up close and get a chance to really look at it. Yeah, it's a very nice truck. Very, very, very nice truck. As you can see, they have a lot of stuff out of here. So we're gonna walk around and see what else we can find. Now this is something I've never seen. This is my first time seeing one of these. This is the Dodge Ram 1500 Rebel. I guess this is, kind of Dodge answer to the Ford Raptor. And this is my first time seeing one of these in person. And this thing is nice. I don't know what year it is, but it's a very, very nice truck. It's very, very nice. How you doing?
Hi, I don't want to interrupt your video.
Oh, you come on, man. You know, I'm just looking at the truck, you know what I'm saying?
Is that a GoPro?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Thank you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I was just riding around. I seen the Raptors over there. And then I looked at them and I seen this, and like I was telling her, but this is my first time seeing one of these right here. You know what I'm saying?
Did you get that on Black Friday?
No, I had it for a while. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I was just looking at some of y'all trucks out here, man. You know. So what can you tell me about the Rebel? Do you know anything about it?
You know, that's a great question. To be honest with you, I'm new here. I don't know too much on the vehicles, but
Okay.
I can definitely get the information.
Okay.
I have my resources in there.
Can we get the keys and check out the interior?
Yes, I can. This
Okay.
one, you want to check this one?
Yes.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Okay. Like I said, we're gonna get the keys. We're gonna look at it, check out in depth, you know. All right, we never know. If it's a good price on it, I might get it. So, you know, when she gets back, we're gonna go on the inside and check it out. We're gonna check out the inside of it. I love the seats on this thing. The inside of it is beautiful. And what year is this?
This is a 2016.
Oh, 16. I didn't see that in the window. It is nice on the inside. I'm loving these seats.
Can I see if I can pull up how much it is too.
I love this truck. I love it. Man, the inside of this thing is beautiful.
Price right under 40.
Right under 40, that's a good price. And the seat's got like a off-road tire tread on it. It is nice. It's got a nice sound to it too. This is definitely nice. Definitely. And they also have, this is a beautiful Silverado. I think this is a 19, I'm not sure. But this thing has so much chrome on the front of it. It's amazing, man. These trucks nowadays are, they're coming up. They're not the old pickup truck like used to be. Like used to be working on the farm and stuff. Now, you can take this to the best, 5-star restaurant and blend right in with the most expensive car, 6.2 Z71. And this is also a big baby right here too. These trucks, they're getting massive, man. The size of them going up and the price of them going up. It's nice. And look at the exhaust tips, how they blend into the bumper. That is awesome. I wasn't a big Silverado guy, but I ain't gonna lie, this one is very nice. If I bought a Silverado, I would buy this one. This is very nice. Very nice. She's cool enough to go get the keys. So we're gonna check out inside, see what it looks like, and we'll be right back when she has the keys. Okay, we're gonna check out the interior. And look at all the leather in this thing, man. Like I was telling them, man, truck shoulders came up, man. Look at this. These are not stuff you use on the farm no more. That's nice. That's nice. These things are beautiful now. And the damage is, I don't know if y'all can see that, $56,475. Not too expensive, but not very cheap either. You know what I'm saying? So we up here, at Mike Reed Chevrolet, Hinesville, Georgia. Y'all come check them out. They got a lot of inventory.
Lots of inventory.
Lots of inventory. They're very friendly people. And I'm pretty sure whatever you want, they can get for you. So this is gonna end my video for the day. Everybody, peace out. Have a great day. Sounds good too.